back on another video, and today, as I read by the title, we'll be doing an installation piece for art. So without further ado, let's get straight on with this video. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah. So currently today is March 27th. It is 7:07 p.m. and basically what the piece is about is a better climate for my health. So the theme of this piece, because it's like basically a competition, but the theme of this piece is a better climate for my health. So I had to make something based on that, you know. I have to think outside the box. Obviously it's art, and already like sorted my plan and everything. We just have to like finalize a few sketches for the preparatory work. And what else? Tonight specifically, I want to finish like write up my artist statement for it, set it to this, and then go and start the little prototype of the actual project, because I need to be able to like at least do the set or the layouts, you know, like a mini layout as to what I'm doing, like on the actual place, in the actual setting. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and I also have to like get some scraps of fabric, etc., because yes, the theme is better climate for my health, but the actual title of my piece is One Man's Trash is Another Man's Treasure. So basically I'm using recycled materials, or materials that like I used before, to help create this like piece. So yeah, let's see how that goes today, because honestly it's a lot. I don't even think I might be vlogging that much for y'all to see, but we'll see how this goes. So y'all, let me just give y'all the vibe tonight. The vibe tonight right now is having a little snack. This is Ripples. I love those type of Ripples, honestly. OG is always the best in most cases. But yeah, and we're gonna be typing. I might not show y'all, like I might not vlog tonight because it's a lot and I actually want to get them things done. So what I might do is show y'all tomorrow, which is going to be March 28th. Yes, it's going to be March 28th. So yeah, I'll show y'all what progress we made from tonight. If y'all only see on my station, look at it. I swear, if y'all wanna see, like y'all see my face, it's currently the next day. It's 5:48 a.m. I was working on the actual model itself, like finishing it, and I'll show y'all a picture how it look. But for now, yeah, we done with the model. I sent the statement, and yeah, right now we're getting ready to actually go to school, because I have to like explain to her what's going on, you know. So yeah. So y'all, it is currently 5:49 p.m. Tuesday, 28th March, and I didn't get to vlog in school today, mainly because like I was really busy and classes, and I really just want to get work done. But update on the actual installation piece, I edited my statement for it. I sent it for Miss, we edited it, fixed it up, so that statement is out of the way, done, finished, completed, you know. And all that's left right now, remember I told y'all, I think I told y'all that, but I can't remember. But I told y'all that this piece, at least I think so, was due Thursday. Well actually the thing is, this piece is not due for the competition.
Really, nigga?
So what I would do a little painting of it for that competition, you know. But the actual piece is still due, right? But it's due later on, like sometime in April, as my coursework grade. So yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes.
y'all probably wondering, why are you on the floor? Well, today is April 10th, right? Monday, April 10th. And for the installation, we are going to be doing the beehive today. So basically, I have this bottle because it's recycled materials and stuff. So this, we're gonna use this Glenegg gallon bottle, and we're going to make it into a beehive. We kind of have the shape already, because like I have to hang it up on the tree type of thing. I think I will show on the side here. I'll show y'all like the actual loto, how I envision the piece to be. And I think I already showed you like previously like a prototype of the thing. So yeah, we're just trying to bring it to life now. So I have to cut a hole here, and then the actual bottom, I'm covering it with paper. So I'm doing the paper mache method for it, so that I'll be able to paint it and give it some texture, you know. Because originally I wanted to get some rope, some fisherman's rope, but like I can't get that, so we're gonna improvise, we're gonna substitute, and we're gonna make it even better with some paper mache. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So I could represent the actual beehive setting, but I'll show y'all the process. I'm gonna go and stick down like this properly so that it will like be firm, so that it won't be moving all over the place like this. Check. And I'm gonna make the paste for the paper mache, get some paper, and actually try and build this. And then when this is built up, I will get back to y'all and show y'all what else I need to do, because it's a lot. So